In this video I just want to really quickly show you how you can remove the lens cover of the Hero 10 and replace it with a different lens cover or replace it with a filter. So what you want to do is kind of grab the lens and just twist it either left or right like this, and then it will come off. And then to put it back on, you'll see that on the lens itself you've got these two pins, so two silver pins, and what you want to do is just make sure that they are positioned at the top and the bottom when you're putting it back on, because you've also got these two kind of like I guess you can, tabs, I guess I'll just say they're tabs, and those pins need to go behind those tabs. So what I do is I'll gently, so make sure the pins are at the top and the bottom, and then just gently press whilst you're twisting it either left or right, and then that will put the lens cover back on. And that's literally it. So in terms of filters, let me just take this off again. So the filters that I use are from Freewell, if I can just find them. Yeah, so these are the ones that I got from Freewell, and this is the standard day 4-pack. So it's this one, and you can use it with the Hero 10 and the Hero 9. So it's got a polarizer, an ND8, an ND16 and an ND32. So these are the filters, and they work in the exact same way that the lens does. They again have the two pins at the top and the bottom, well, one at the top, one at the bottom, or left and right, however you want to look at it. And then all you're going to do is do the exact same thing with the Hero 10 or the Hero 9, and just place the pins at the top and the bottom, and then gently push whilst you twist, and then that'll affix the lens onto the GoPro. So that's it, just a really quick video to show you how to replace the lens cover or add a filter. And these filters, I'll drop a link in the description to them so that you can check them out, but I will be doing a video on these in another video and just showing you why it's useful to use ND filters and how good these ones are as well. So yeah, do like and subscribe, and see you next time.